Hey guys, welcome back to 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. www.702motoringlasvegas.com. Our Labor Day sale, 5% off everything, was very popular. Very popular. So we're running it after Labor Day. You guys really appreciated that. And we could tell by the amount of orders that came in. So you know what? We're going to keep it on rolling. If you got Street Glide, you want Diamond Audio, we got you. You got Street Glide, you want Sound Digital, we got you. 5% off. 5% off that price. Got a Road Glide, Diamond Audio, we got you. Got a Road Glide, you want Sound Digital Evo X2, we got you. How about a cut-in kit with some MP694 coax horn, Diamond Audio 6x9s? 5% off across the board. Looking for that new badass 2014 and up Harley radio? Oh yeah. Shh. We got you. 5% off. Got plenty of them. Got plenty of them. 702 Motoring. 5%. Straight across the board. Get it while you can. It's happening right now. Promo code AFTER22. AFTER22 at checkout. 5% off, guys. Get it while you can, because it doesn't happen very often.